Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So as you can see, it is a vlog today. I haven't done a vlog in so long. I thought I would bring you along my week. So today is Sunday. I've had a very chilled Sunday, my favourite kind of Sunday. I have basically just done a little bit of cleaning. I had a long bath and me and Josh went for a little walk with Levi as well, just to kind of get a bit of fresh air. But we thought we'd do a little bit of shopping today, and also this week I'm getting my hair cut. So as you can see, it is no longer a bob, and yeah, it's just at that really weird length where I just can't do anything with. And also I'm going to get these roots done as well, so I thought I could show you that. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get our Christmas tree as well next weekend. So yeah, I'll just film a few bits throughout my week and take you along. We're gonna go shopping in a little bit. I need to pick up some new makeup and some new skincare products. Okay, so I am ready and I'm matching my decor. I can see my teddies. I am wrapped up warm. It is a beautiful day. You can't really see it. So we're gonna go in the car now. So we're actually gonna go to the original factory shop first. So they kind of do a little bit of everything. So like fragrance, beauty, a bit of homeware as well. But they always have up to 70% off as well. So it's kind of like an outlet, so I'm mainly going to have a little look at the beauty section, of course. I've got to get a few top-ups as well, so of course I'll let you know what I get. Okay, so we just got done shopping in the original factory shop. So I just picked up some extra skincare bits, and then also some perfume and some little bits for Christmas as well. But I will show you a proper haul when I get home, and also when it's daylight, because it's going to get dark soon. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Go for that, don't we?
Which one?
The red one.
We got our tree!
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop. Look at that. You can kind of see it. It's absolutely huge. Definitely the biggest tree that we've had.
I think so, yeah. I hope so.
I hope it's alright when it drops. That definitely took the longest. Like normally we go in and we pick one within, what, three tries, do you reckon?
Yeah, I do think though, if we didn't have storms yesterday, it would have been easier to pick.
Yeah, but I think I like ours. I was worried that we weren't going to find one. Oh, I think we are very fussy.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Because I'll
has to be tall enough, has to be proportionate, has to be thick enough.
Yeah.
Can't have any empty spots.
Yeah, and yeah, definitely proportion, because I hate it when trees are like really like skinny on top with like not a lot of branches and then really fat. You know when you look at some people's trees and like you do judge their tree, don't you?
Yeah.
I do. Is there anything more satisfying to neatly packed away Christmas decorations? Like, well done, Hannah. La 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 la. Oh, sorry. It's very dark. Right, I just thought I would catch you up now. that I am back home. I'll take this off for a start. Oh. God, it is freezing out there. Well, there was a storm last night. So, yeah, everything was everywhere. You know when like people's bins are like bloody, you know, in bloody Barry's back garden. So as you would have seen, we just went and picked up our Christmas tree, which is so exciting. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you up because obviously, as you can see, I have had a haircut, got my bob back. I haven't like styled it or straightened it, but I also got it, I got my roots done, and I just had a little bit more of like a shadow root this time. So yeah, I got that done on, when did I last speak to you? On Sunday. So basically we are selling our house. We are on the hunt for a new house in a different area. So we basically had house viewings last night, as in like people were viewing our house, so we had to keep it super clean and tidy all week. And then also we viewed a couple houses yesterday, not the one. And then also we had a concert that we went to watch Sam Fender. And then also, what else happened? It's Black Friday week, so it's, well, Cyber Week. And obviously I work for a beauty e-commerce company, so obviously all online sales were absolutely crazy. So yeah, that was just very hectic, so I haven't really had time to kind of sit down and have a little chat. And also I need to show you what I got last Sunday when I went to the original factory shop, and I got some pretty good bargains, so I'll show you that as well. So here's the bag, and shall I just get cracking because I've got quite a lot to show you. So this is exciting. This part of the video is actually sponsored by the original factory shop. They kindly got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to basically go to their store. They kindly messaged me and asked if I wanted to go and have a little shop for some beauty items. And they also gave me a £100 gift card to spend. And basically I'm just going to show you some of my favourite beauty buys that I got in store. Firstly, I got 2 perfumes. So they basically do kind of like smell-alike perfumes. So this one, Queen of Space, as you can see. This is basically like, it smells really similar to Alien by Thierry, what is it? Thierry Mugler? Is that it? Thierry Mugler, I think. It smells exactly the same. So I thought, I mean, I might keep it for myself, but it's a good Christmas present. But one thing that I did buy myself, that I rebought, they basically have offers on all of their products. So I got the Angel, also by, well, not also, but this is also by Mugler, is that how you say it? But you know when perfume basically just like takes you back? Like they have a really, it just smells really nostalgic to me, and it's something that I used to wear when I was younger, but I still love it now. But it just takes me back and I love it. I'm gonna spray it down. Oh my god, insane. I wish you could smell it. Perfect place to get like Christmas presents. Another thing that I was super excited to get, I've already used it, but it is the Clinique Moisture Surge. So this is a moisturiser that I always get, so I just rebought it, but it was only £18. So yeah, bargain. And I got a couple of new products to try because obviously, you know, you can't resist a bargain. They are both by, no, they're not both by Loreal. This is L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. Thought I could do a little pamper session, and then also Renewing Night Mask by Olay, because I wanted a really hydrating moisturiser, kind of like face mask that you can put on at night and just let it sink in. But yeah, I'll definitely be doing a little try on, and I'll let you guys know what I think. They had so many different options for like skincare products as well. I'm obsessed with skincare, so when I saw the skincare section, I was like, oh my god, what do I get? But I've heard good things about the Olay moisturising one, so I'll definitely let you know what I think of that. But yeah, they had a lot of options, a lot of like high street brands that were even more affordable. So especially if you're looking for Christmas, it's like the perfect place to go, because you can get quite a lot for your money. I did buy Josh something as well. This is the Eternity aftershave by Calvin Klein. So they've obviously got men's perfume there as well. Some eyelashes, because you can never have enough eyelashes. This is W7. Then I also picked up a mascara. I've used this one before, but it was only £5. £5. And then I just got a little perfume by Sally Hansen, because I mean, I love like nude nail polish. But Sally Hansen, I can't talk. I need to get it together. Sally Hansen is normally quite pricey, so I picked up one of those as well. They had a lot. Thanks. They had a lot of nail polish options. So if you're a nail varnish junkie, then definitely check it out. And then lastly, sorry the noise, I just picked up, these are kind of a bit boring, but I have to show you because I'm like, oh my god. This is very boring, but guys, look at the size of this shower gel. This shower gel, I cannot find anywhere this size. So what I thought I could do was keep my little one that I have, because it like has a little, you can like hang it up. I can just refill it with this giant bottle. Boring, but adult life, eh? And then lastly, I just got some simple makeup wipes. They are biodegradable. Pop them in my bedside drawer, and if I am so tired and I haven't taken my makeup off, I've got these. And I always want to take my makeup off, you know. At least you're not leaving it on. That's the main thing. But yes, that is everything I got from the original factory shop. I'm gonna go have some breakfast. Josh has just made me a bacon sandwich, so I'm gonna go eat that. Good morning. It is the next day, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. I mean, happy whatever day it is for you. So we are gonna decorate the tree today. So I left you guys yesterday when I done my little haul from the original factory shop. So today is just a very chill day. We've just been doing a bit of housework, feeling a little bit hungover, but still trying to be productive. And then I'm going to have a little pamper session later on and use my new masks. And yeah, just chill out, ready for the week ahead. So, what's the time? It's almost 1 o'clock. Right, so we're going to go decorate the tree. Levi's living her best life. About 4 o'clock now. Just finished doing the Christmas decorations. So now I'm gonna wind down and chill out, seeing as it is a Sunday evening. So I am going to use my new mask. So this is the mask by Loreal, the one that I got from the original factory shop. So this is it's just one of their clay masks, which I will leave the name down below. So whilst that gets dry, I'm just going to leave that on. How long does it say to leave it on for? 10 minutes. Right, so that's enough time to do my nails. So this is the nail varnish I showed you yesterday that I got from the original factory shop as well. This one is by Sally Hansen and it's called Arm Candy. Good effort, Josh. Thank you.
No guys.
Christmas film is on and the tree is up. Look how big it is. Do you like it? Yeah.
Love it. No, I think it's my favourite one.
Yeah. We're just watching Love Hard, so not a super Christmassy film because we don't want to waste that. We want to keep that for the 1st of December. So we're just gonna have our roast. Okay. I'm gonna wind down and chill on the sofa now, so I will probably finish this vlog here. Before I do that, I'm just using the Olay Renewing Night Mask. And I'm just going to leave this on overnight, obviously. This is the other mask that I got as well. But hopefully you've enjoyed my little vlog. Let me know if you want to do more of them. And also thank you to the original factory shop for sponsoring this video as well, because this is my first sponsorship video, so I was so chuffed when they got in touch. I had a nice little day out shopping as well. I went to my local one, which is actually in the heart of the valleys, which is obviously in Wales. So my one was in a little local town. That's what I kind of love about the original factory shop, because you'll always find one in like a smaller, like really cute town. I will leave all the info down below on the original factory shop. Let that mask sink in. I'm gonna go chill out with Josh and have a nice relaxing Sunday. I hope you have a lovely day, whatever day it is, and I'll catch up with you soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new here, and you'll see me in the next one. Bye guys.